Today my topic about applications of AI. Applications of AI. AI means it refers to human intelligence by mission and data science. First application. Business. Second, education. Agriculture. Business. We have first process. It is data. Third, analysis. Last, result. In the AI, it is used in codes, process. మళ్ళీ చెప్తాం మొత్తం పాయింట్స్.